Hi viewer, welcome to another episode of Kansiris. In this video we will discuss what are microservices. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. What are microservices? Microservices are the architectural approach to build applications from small to large-scale applications. With this architectural approach, an application is broken down into the smallest components, independent of each other. Unlike monolithic architecture, where all the functionalities are targeted to build into a single project application, microservices helps to separate functionalities to develop in a more modular way, and all modules work together to accomplish the specific targeted tasks. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. I am Sirish Kantamaneni. Please like this video if you like our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updated videos like this. You are watching Kansiris.